I wonder if it's best to assign the patent for the product I developed under my personal name or under my business name, information on my business. I started the business LLC based around the product I was developing. I've had the business and name for 4 years, and everything has just been in development up to this point, basically stealth mode. I hope to be manufacturing and selling some of the product by the end of this year. That said, would it be best to assign it to my personal name in case I dissolve the business? If I assign it to me, I can also sell the company down the road. It makes more sense for the business. I'd love to hear people's thoughts on this. Well, and maybe they'll chime in on maybe the business or branding aspects, but I will say I will almost always advise assigning the patent to IP portfolio to a business.
Correct.
Mainly because of limiting the personal liability in all cases. Even if you're still in development and you're hiring, let's say, a new manufacturer or a new designer, you want to engage B2B, contract business to business. If there's ever a lawsuit, breach of contract allegation, anything where you might be liable, and let's say that designer isn't holding up to their agreement or they're ripping you off and you want to go sue them or they're suing you back, worst case scenario, you lose a lawsuit and now you're liable. Well, by having this shield, right, the corporate veil, you're able to protect your personal liability, having the LLC properly, owning the IP and taking the blow versus you having your personal assets be at risk.